Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. With respective chief guests also, I would like quickly to introduce myself again. Fayez Al Balushi, leading pre-sales and strategic alliance in Amman Data Park. Artificial intelligence topic is quite dense and broad. Many of the speakers today morning, they have already covered huge amount of the information which are related to artificial intelligence. And if you come to the artificial intelligence, it is bounded with our life, basically. In our everything which we are doing daily basis, it is bounded with it. Technology and cloud enablers in adoption of AI, having said that, artificial intelligence and cloud computing have merged together to improve the lives of millions. If we see the digital assistants which we are using it daily basis as a Siri or Amazon Home or Google Home, Alexa, are blended with AI and cloud computing together in our life every day. With a quick verbal command, user can make a purchase directly. Also, he can increase and reduce the thermostat or the heats at home directly. A seamless flow of AI and cloud-based resources make those requests as a reality, basically. Most users never even realize that it is a combination of AI and cloud computing together working on that. Moving to the numbers and statistics, basically, according to Statista, the global value of AI market will suppress more than an estimated of 89 billion annually by 2025. Also, based on the recent study which is done by McKinsey, one of the biggest consultants in the market, to explore how AI impact the value creation in range of industries, they estimated that across of 19 businesses areas and more than 400 potential use cases could create around 3.5 and 5.8 trillion a year in value. If we go deep dive into those stats, basically the cloud somehow will be linked with all those use cases and linked together with that in terms of cloud and AI spectrum. Technology enablers can uplift the organizational AI curve, covering the organization which fall under industries by reducing the operating costs, streamlining the processes, and drive the effectiveness. In addition, it will result by accelerating their ability to innovate, fostering new thinking and business disruption based on AI. Also, to accelerate an exploration for unknown transformative configuration in data. Also, prototyping by challenging the current status with radical new solutions based on AI and cloud computing. A part of that, refinement of continuously improving the existing in-production solutions in oil and gas or any other sectors. Let us not forget the firefighting, which is identifying the drivers of certain upcoming situations which are undefined. If we move to the performance benchmark of AI workload, based on the performance benchmark, which is conducted by NVIDIA, who are the world's leading GPU manufacturer in cloud providers. So basically it is being done with the clouds which are enabled with the newly formed DGX GPU A100. The numbers are quite impressive, if you can see. Basically, the study being done for 3 types of systems which are meant for GPU and AI. The first one is in the training systems. So basically, based on the traditional or historical GPUs or the systems, the new system have increased by 6% in terms of sequences. Also, if we go to the inference part, also it been increased by 172x in terms of the performance and petaflops. Going to the analytics part also, it is increased by 13% in terms of the graph and analytics benchmark with the new GPU, which is formed by NVIDIA, and the clouds which are enabled with GPU DGX 100. Since Oman Data Park always acted as a trusted local service provider by adhering to the data localization in Oman, and ODP have launched Nebula AI platform, which can help oil and gas and all other sectors, which can uplift and be part of the AI curve or journey of the digitalization. Moving to what is Nebula AI. Basically, it is a universal cloud platform, one system for every AI performance and workload, which will cover all the three types of systems, as I mentioned, analytics, training, and inference. Also, a part of that, it is integrated with unmatched AI expertise to fast-track the transformation with DGX experts to know how and experience of AI use cases in all of these sectors. A part of that, it will be as a game-changing in terms of the performance and innovators to fast the solution with up to 10 petaflops in terms of AI systems enabled with GPU and CPU together. With unmatched scalability of the cloud, I don't need to mention again how the clouds are scalable in terms of flexibility. You can take it based on the demands, you can reduce, you can scale in and scale out based on your requests and based on your growth. Nebula use cases, having said that, all the sector use cases can be catered, as mentioned by the previous speakers. They are multiple in oil and gas, in security and surveillance, in retail, in construction, in manufacturing. Let us not forget the banking and finance also. A part of that, the auto and healthcare, which can be catered with the new system provided by NVIDIA, partnered with Oman Data Park. Basically, AI is a future trend, as mentioned by the previous speakers. Also, it is a data asset or asset of any organization. Enablers like Oman Data Park or cloud providers can play a valuable role in that journey. We can partner together, and we will be as a transformation partners with you to drive this journey to the end. Thank you. I will be available today in the booth. Please feel free to come. We can have one-to-one session. We can go through in detail for any clarification or anything. Thank you.